quickly glance over the new code, just so you guys can see it, the new code. Again, I'm sorry if we are like going back and forth. I like doing this from scratch without watching tutorials or doing it before. I like doing it with you guys because I'm also learning while you guys learn from me, and it's a 50-50. So compile that and hook. We're gonna do the same thing. Let's delete this and this and this and this, and we're gonna copy this, this, and this. So let's go back to our end hook, connect that there. So we want to interpolate the hook collision, its current world location, to the world location of our scene component, world location. Let's connect that. And I believe it should work. Why not? Let's see if it does. Let's cross our fingers. Just did some random stuff there. Okay, so the hook is going towards the trace. That's something, but it's returning really slow. Let's see what's causing that. So is hook launching? I think the problem is right here. Returning, not returning. I believe the problem is on the start hook function. I believe it's something related to the distance not being tracked correctly. See? Not returning. Returning. If I run back. Yeah, so it's the values that are being tracked. Let's see, print. Let's print out. Let's delete this. Let's print out the vector length. It should be above 1,000. Yeah, that's a problem. It's not going forwards 1,000. So if we move back and it reaches 1,000, so when it collides, it works. But when it's not reaching the location it's supposed to be reaching, it stays there till we like move a little bit back. So the way we're gonna fix this is by, let's see, line trace, location. Okay, let's try this out. So when we're doing this math, let's take out, let's disconnect both. Let's track end hook location with the current location of the hook. Hmm. So let's try the inverse of that. Okay. This should be... I'm just trying random stuff out. So if it's above or equals 0, let's see if that works. Duh. Okay. We should check. I don't know what I did, why I didn't not track, but compare the end hook location with the actual location of the hook. So if end hook, no, if the current hook location is equal to our end hook location, and maybe we can tweak this a little bit later on. So if the hook has reached the location it's supposed to be reaching, then return back. Let me see the values. We're almost there, guys, don't worry. Let me see what's been printed out. Or we can just buy 50. Yeah. It was this. The error tolerance. Basically, it was close to the end hook location by a couple of decimal numbers. So if we crank that up to 50, if it's like close to 50 decimal points, then it should return back. So this should be it. Yes. Okay. So let's try this again. I am Roadhog. I'm shooting my weird shotgun, so... What? So the collision works. I think if we move forward, like, it shortens the distance. But shit, holy, it works. So there you have it, guys. The hook. Now we're gonna have fun because we're gonna start hooking stuff towards us. Okay, nicely done. Let's turn off the debugging. We know it works. Persistent, none. Let's quickly glance over the functions. I think we should crank up the hook speed to like 20. Okay, so and hook. I think this constantly runs every single frame. So we should do another check before doing the hook stuff. So hook active. Let's create another boolean on launch hook. No. Look, is hook launching? This turns on. on end hook, yeah, we should do it before, because there's already a true or false here, so either way the tick is going to be constantly running. So is hook active? Yes. Then start doing the whole hook stuff. Basically, yeah, I think we should set this here. So is hook active? Yes. So this turns on, and on end hook, let's do the distance compare again, what we did before. Let's do that here on end hook. So when the hook returns back to its default location, which is hook default location, so when the hook returns back to its default location by a margin of, let's say, 1, then we're going to disable anything related to tick. And we're going to see if that works. We just don't want these functions running every single tick. Okay, let's try it out. Perfect. Because before, this function was running every single tick, even if we're not playing around with the hook. So we're just basically optimizing the player with this check right here. Okay, perfect. Let's compile, let's hit save. So we got our hook, we got our collision check. Now we want to start hooking stuff towards the player. And we're gonna hook the boxes. So let's edit our cube. I'm gonna select all editor cubes here on the world outliner. And I'm gonna make sure to click generate overlap events and that they're physics actors. That way we hook the boxes towards us. Okay, so now we're gonna do this here on component begin overlap. Okay, we're gonna do another function, start or hook actor towards us, or just hook actor. Delete that. Okay, so hook actor, the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna create a parameter on the hook actor function, and we're gonna set it to actor. We're gonna call this hook actor. Compile quickly. So if we hook something, we're gonna run this function, and on here, I think we should turn these boxes to a blueprint for better functionality. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna click this box or whichever box you want, and we're gonna create a blueprint out of the box. So pp hookable box. I'm gonna throw it. Where's our first? There's some blueprint template, blueprints, Roadhog, and I think every single. Now I'm gonna delete all the boxes, and I'm just gonna copy paste this box, which is the blueprint we just created. Okay, so I think that should be it. Okay, so here when we call this function, we want to make sure if we cast to BP hookable box, if we hooked a box, or a player if you're doing a player, and if it's true, we want to get the mesh, get mesh, static mesh component. Yes. We want to make sure if it's simulating physics. So if it's simulating physics, we want to attach this to our component. So attach to component attaches the root actor of this actor to the supply component. Yes. So if that's true, we attach the box to our collision. Location rule is snap to target. We keep the same rotation and the same scale. Now let's quickly see if that works. So hook actor, yeah, let's see if that works. Okay, it's not working. Let's see what exactly is not working. Let's start by checking if it's casting right. So it should print hello if it touches this. It's not printing hello. So let's see if the cast is failing. Oh, whoa, it did work. Holy crap. What happened here? Yeah, it did work. I think it's probably some collision problems. Wait. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Sorry guys. Yeah, I did it on the wrong blueprint. My bad. Yeah, so I think it's colliding with something. It's colliding, but for some reason it's not casting right. Let's see the collision. It's definitely a collision problem. Let's see what's being hit. I'm gonna get the display name of the hooked actor. Okay, so the freaking hook is colliding with ourselves. That's smart. That's very smart. Let's turn off that off. So hook collision. Custom. It should only overlap with world static and physics body. Now let's see how that. Yep. Now it's not colliding with the player. Whoa. Okay. Collision true. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that subscribe button and follow me on my social media, especially Instagram. See you on the next one.